Hi friends, in the last class we have completed problem number 3 in admission of partner. Today let me take up the fourth one. Dalal, Banerjee and Malik are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2016 is as below. We got trade payable 12,850, outstanding liabilities 1,500, general reserve 6,500, Dalal capital 12,000, Banerjee capital 12,000, Malik capital 5,000. Land and building 25,000, furniture 6,500, inventory of goods 11,750, trade receivable 5,500, cash in bank and cash at bank. The partners have agreed to take Mistry as a partner with effect from 1st April 2016 on the following terms. Mr. Mistry shall bring 5,000 towards his capital. That means the capital of the new partner has been given. The same model came in the year 2000, if I am not wrong, 2018 November. This problem came in the examination, second batch. I think the names have changed. Okay, I think that came as a 16 marks question if I am not wrong. So this is very important model. We can see that past examination paper, you can find this problem. Names have been changed. Mr. Mistry shall bring 5,000 towards his capital. The value of inventory should be increased by 2,500 and furniture should be depreciated by 10%. Inventory should be increased, that is, there is appreciation in the value of inventory. Furniture should be depreciated. This will be taken to revaluation account. Reserve for bad and doubtful debt should be provided 10% of the trade receivable. This also will be taken to revaluation account. The value of land and building should be enhanced by 20% and the value of the goodwill be fixed at 15,000. So the value of land and building should be enhanced means appreciation. Goodwill fixed. I think goodwill value has been given in the problem. Why goodwill value? What is the goodwill value here? Firm's goodwill has been given. This is called as firm's goodwill. Whenever you are checking the problem, he brings share of capital. This is share of capital he brought. Now share of goodwill also need, that is question mark so far. That is not given in the problem. So that share of goodwill, for that purpose they have given this information, value of goodwill. And that it has been repeated actually, the same point. The value of goodwill be fixed. I think these 2 points have been repeated. So no issue, this is repeated. Same. Okay, this 5th point has been repeated. The value of goodwill be fixed. Okay, general reserve will be transferred to partners capital account. For the first time you are having in the problem undistributed profits. In the previous 3 problems we haven't had any undistributed profit. Now the new profit sharing ratio shall be Dalal 5/15, Banerjee 5/15, Malik 3/15 and Mistry 2/15. The outstanding liabilities include 1,000 rupees due to Mr. Sen, which has been paid by Dalal. Necessary journal entries were not made in the books. The outstanding liability include 1,000 rupees due to Mr. Sen. This outstanding liability includes 1,000 rupees due to Sen. Sir, who is Sen, sir? Who is Sen? He is not a partner. Then who is a Sen? A creditor. He is a creditor, to whom this 1,500 rupees including amount due to Sen. He is a creditor and that amount has been paid by Dalal. That means you are clearing the liabilities, outstanding liability which is due to Sen has been paid by Dalal. So this 1,000 rupees is included in Outstanding liability. When you make payment of outstanding liability, no need to write same. Same amount is included. This 1500 rupees is including, this 1500 is including 1000 rupees to due to sale. So same name is there in outstanding liability. Again, no need to open same account. Same account is being reflected in the form of outstanding liability. So when you are paying outstanding liability, entry will be outstanding liability to bank or cash you can write. But who is paying this liability? One of the partner. Who is the partner? What is the name of the partner? Dalal. So what is the entry then? Outstanding liability. Here I am writing just to remember this. Outstanding liability. Account debtor. Who is the giver? Dalal. To Dalal Capital. Okay, 1000 rupees you should write. Now prepare evaluation account, capital accounts of the partner, balance sheet of the firm after admission of Mr. Mistry. I think we got two things to be discussed in the problem. First one is treatment of goodwill. So I am writing working notes number 1. Treatment of goodwill. For that I told you, if share of goodwill is given, firm's goodwill is not required. But here he has given firm's goodwill. Simple words for treatment of goodwill. I want share of goodwill, my dear friends. If firm goodwill is given, that's fine. That share of goodwill is not given. If share of goodwill is given, firm goodwill is not required. I want what is the share of. I told you the meaning of goodwill. Goodwill, share of goodwill brought by the new partner is to be created to old partners, because old partners are foregoing extra income, and that extra income is being purchased by the incoming partner by paying the share of goodwill, by purchasing share of goodwill and bringing the cash, and they are giving to whom? Old partners. Now in this case we have seen that share of goodwill has not been mentioned here in the problem. Share of goodwill has not been mentioned in the problem. This is page number 104 of Charms material. Okay, so I think here you can see what is share of goodwill is not given, and that too he has not given that new partner is bringing share of goodwill. Then you know that when new partner is unable to bring a share of goodwill, situation 3, new partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account, in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. Okay, so for that first point I got firm's goodwill. Second point, share of goodwill. Whose share of goodwill I want? Tell me. Mistry share of goodwill. Is equal to 15,000 into, what is share of Mistry? You can see 2 by 15. He should bring 2000. Since he is unable to bring, this 2000 rupees is to be debited to Mistry capital account. Okay, then third point, sacrificing ratio I want. Sacrificing ratio I want. Sacrificing ratio, old minus new. Now I think I should go for Dalal sacrifice. Dalal sacrifice is equal to old. What is the old ratio? 2 by 5. New ratio 5 by 15. LCM 15, no? One by 15. Then Banerjee sacrifice. Old ratio again 2 by 5. New ratio is also again 5. 5 by 15. Then Malik. Malik sacrifice 1 by 5 minus 3 by 15. 5 3 is a nil. That means who are sacrificing? Only Dalal and Banerjee are sacrificing. Therefore, sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:1. Now, we can write the entry. Who is the new partner? Mistry. The entry for adjustment of goodwill. Because you have learned that new partner is unable to bring a share of goodwill. The entry for adjustment of goodwill. Who is the new partner? Tell me. Mistry. Mistry capital account debtor 2000 rupees. Who are sacrificing? Dalal. Which ratio? Sacrificing ratio 1:1. 2000 into 1 by 2. Sacrificing. 2. Banerjee capital. What is sacrificing ratio? 2000 into 1 by 2. How much it is coming? 1000 rupees. Mistry capital account debtor to Dalal capital to Banerjee capital. You are not creating anything to Malik because he is not sacrificing anything. Is this clear to all of you? And alternatively, I told you last class also we have done third problem. Alternatively, goodwill can be raised and written off, net effect will be same. I am giving hint. This you can do when firm goodwill is given and new profit sharing ratio also given. Otherwise, don't waste your time. And that too, if you are having any ratio calculation problem, this is suitable. This you can do when firm goodwill is given and new profit sharing ratio is also given. How, sir? Like a statement. Who are 4 partners now? Dalal, Banerjee, Malik, Mistry. Goodwill is raised. What is the ratio? 2:2:1. What is the goodwill amount here? 15,000 goodwill is raised. And you credit 15,000 by 5 into 2, 6,000. You know goodwill is raised, you should be credited. Goodwill account at R to old partners, you have learned that entry. Credit 6,000 and credit 3,000. Now 15,000 goodwill written off. is written off. Which ratio? 5 is to 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 by 15, 5000. 5 by 15, 5000. 3 by 15, 3000. 2 by 15, 2000. Then see the adjustment of it. Credit is showing more, no, 1000 is to be created. Here also credit is showing 1000 rupees to be created. Credit and debits equal, so no need to do anything. Here debit how much? 2000. That means whose capital account is to be debited? My last problem when I was explaining, I think here, instead of writing 7500, by mistakenly calculation has been done. Last partner, I have written like 750, I think. I have checked later on, but by that time I have sent the already file. So I think you hope you will understand that. Like writing off 7500, I should be writing off. Maybe that was the third problem, I think. Third problem, just a small mistake we have done. The calculation is not calculation, writing, posting mistake there. So we got something like, don't remember exactly the goodwill how much we got. That goodwill, just a minute, I'll try to calculate. Just it's, I think you might have noted down the mistake there. It is something like goodwill is hidden goodwill is 45,000. 45,000 new partner share is 7,500. 1 by 6. That 1 by 6 I have calculated, but I have, instead of writing 7,500, I have written 750. That's it. That small mistake, just I thought of sharing with you. Okay, now I think here it's very clear. Now you can see whose capital account is to be created. Dalal Banerjee. Whose capital account is debited? Mistry. We got the same entry, no? I think two alternatives are there. Simple word, the net effect of is these two, old minus new. You are getting which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. Okay, the same thing we have done. The entry for adjustment of goodwill in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. What is sacrificing ratio? 1 is to 1. So I have given two options to you, and not better to follow the first one. And whenever you find difficulty in calculating the ratio, I think second option is possible. Second option, when to go? When firm goodwill is given and new profit sharing ratio is given. When firm goodwill is not given, new profit sharing ratio is not given, don't go for second alternative. Is this clear to all of you? So now, I think this entry also I have given the entry for what is that called as outstanding liability Dalal capital. I think we can go for now opening of partners revaluation account followed by partners capital account and balance sheet that we should work out now. So let me start with revaluation account first. Solution. I told you some authors they call revaluation account also as P&L adjustment. Even the study material they have used the word, so no need to worry about it. Revaluation account is also being called as P&L adjustment account. Okay. Okay, let me draw the lines first. Okay, so revaluation account, you know that here you will be writing like particulars, amount in rupees, etc. Okay, particulars, amount in rupees, etc. Now let us see the adjustments given here. Okay, let us see the adjustment given here. What are the adjustment? I think you are having the problem with you textbook. I told you to refer to because I can't go back frequently for scrolling that up and down again. Let me start with adjustment number 2. The value of inventory should be increased by specific amount has been given. I will be writing by inventory. Inventory appreciation by 2500. Then next point, furniture should be depreciated. Furniture 6500 depreciated by 10% means 6500 into 10%, 650. Then reserve for bad and doubtful debts to be provided 10%. %10% on 5500. It is coming to 550. Then next, value of land and building should be enhanced by 20%. So by land and building brackets, enhancement by, what is the percentage he has given? 20%. So 25,000 into 20%. Coming to 5,000. Then next, the value of good will be fixed at 15,000. I think this we have already done it, no? Now I think you can see 650, 550. These are the two things you are having. Now credit side total is how much? 7,500. $7,500. I think you are getting a profit. $7,500. So 7,500 minus 650 minus 550. Minus 550. You are getting 6,300 is the profit. This 6,300 profit is transferred to profit carry down Dalal capital. You will be transferring to only old partners. Dalal capital Banerjee capital and Malik capital. So 6,300 into ratio 2/5. 6,300 into 2/5. 6,300 into 1/5. Is this clear? By 5 into 2. You are getting 2,520. 2,520. 1 by 5 means we'll be getting 1260. Okay, we are getting 1260. This is about revaluation account. The second account which they are asking you to prepare, partners capital account. Might have noticed generally nothing is mentioned. They are following which method? Fluctuating capital. Partners capital accounts. How many partners columns we need to open? 4 columns. Dalal, Dalal, Banerjee, Malik, Mistry. Dalal, Banerjee, Malik, and Mistry. Amount in rupees, amount in rupees. This columnar form. By this time I think you are used to doing it. So by balance brought down. If you look at the by balance brought down, we are having Dalal capital 12,000. Then we are having Banerjee capital 12,000. And then we are having Malik capital 5,000. And in the balance sheet we are having cash in hand and cash at bank. Either you can use the word cash or you can use the word bank. Since we are having less cash, I am assuming that he brought cash. By cash, what is the amount brought by Mistry towards his share of capital? 5,000. Then if you look at that, we are having the revaluation item. We got revaluation profit now. By revaluation account brackets profit. What is the profit? We got revaluation profit from here. 2,520, 2,520, 1260. 2,520, 2,520, 1260. Then by, we have written the entry for goodwill, no? Goodwill, we have written the entry here, you can see goodwill entry. Mistry capital account data to Dalal to Banerjee. In Mistry capital should be debited. So here I am writing in Mistry capital to Dalal to Banerjee. Dalal capital 1,000 rupees. Since he is unable to bring his share of goodwill, we are debiting his. Actually, he is supposed to bring 5,000 towards his share of capital. 2,000 towards his share of goodwill. Since he is unable to bring his share of goodwill, we are debiting Mistry capital account. Okay. So this is the entry. Now here I should write by Mistry. Here I can, if I want, I can write like to Dalal and Banerjee directly. I can write 2,000 also. Okay. Now Dalal capital account should be created with 1,000 rupees towards goodwill. Banerjee Banerjee capital account should be created with 1,000 rupees because these two partners are sacrificing. Clear? Okay, this is goodwill adjustment. And for the first time you are having reserve given in the balance sheet. By general reserve is distributed which ratio? Old profit sharing ratio. What is general reserve? 6,500. 6,500 by 5 into 2. It is coming to 2,600 is created to Dalal. 2,600 to Banerjee. And 1 by 5 means 1,300 to Malik. That's it. Now I think you can close partners capital account. These are the adjustments we are having. Okay, you can go for totaling of it now. Take the calculated Dalal 12,000 plus 2,520 plus 1,000 plus 2,600. It is coming to, and there is also one more adjustment. Actually, we have not taken that. What is that adjustment? I think Dalal has cleared outstanding liability, including which is amount used is due to whom? Sain. Here I have written outstanding liability to Dalal capital. I think here I should write in Dalal capital one adjustment I should write by outstanding liability, because outstanding liability has been paid by whom? Dalal, 1,000 rupees. So it is coming to 19,120. Okay. Now look at the total. I think the values are same now. Except this, I think you'll be getting 18,120. And look at this. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 560. It is coming to 5,000. $19,120, 18,120, 7,560, 5,000. Now here you are writing two balance carried down as closing balance. You are having here 3,000 because 5 minus that one, and the remaining part they are having as it is capital. 19,120, 18,120, 7,560. Okay, now I think we can go to the balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet. As it, I think on the date of admission 1st January 17, because on this date he has been admitted as a partner. Okay, let me start with first fixed assets. You can see the book. First asset which we are having is land and building. So land and building, 25,000 inner column, and I think there is appreciation of land and building by 20%, no? So by appreciation, 5,025 plus 5 coming to 30,000, and then furniture 10% depreciation, 6,500 less depreciation 650, 5,850. Then inventory, inventory is closing stock. Inventory should be increased by 2,500 has been given. What is inventory? 11,750 plus increase. Value of inventory has been increased because market value might have gone up. So 2,500, 14,250. Next, we are having trade receivable. What is trade receivable? 5,500 given in the inner column, and on that we need to create a reserve for bad debts. Generally right word to be used is PBD, but since in the problem RBD has been given, I am using RBD at 10%. At 10% is 550, no? So 4,950. Now, what I have done, actually I have added, we are having two items now, cash in hand and cash at bank. Only new partner has brought his share of capital in cash, we have assumed. So what I am writing, cash inner column, cash in hand is given as 140 plus who brought the cash, who brought the capital towards, who brought the 5,000? New partner. How much he has brought? 5,000. That 5,000 we are assuming, because we are having in the problem cash and bank. Either you can add to cash or you can add to bank. I am adding to cash. If you want, you can add to bank also. So who is the new partner? The new partner name is Mistry. Mistry share of capital. How much he has brought? 5,000. So it is coming to 5,140. Then cash at bank, since we are not doing any adjustment, it's same. Now we can go back to liability side. Dalal capital. We got already 19,120. After Dalal, Banerjee capital, 18,120. Malik capital, 7,560. Mistry capital, Mistry capital 3,000 rupees. Mistry capital 3,000. Next, trade payable. Inner column, trade payable given here is 12,000. Trade payable, you don't have an adjustment, 12,850. We are having adjustment on outstanding liabilities. O by S means outstanding. Outstanding liability 1500 and outstanding liability including amount due to Sen. Who is Sen? Is outsider. He is not a partner, outsider. Outsider paid by whom? Dalal. That is why the outstanding liability has decreased by how much, my dear friends? 1000 rupees. Therefore, it is coming to 500 rupees. Okay, now I think we can go for totaling of it. Assets I am starting 30,000 plus 5,850 plus 14,250 plus 4,950 plus 5,140 plus 960. It is coming to 61,150. We can cross check from the asset side total. You can deduct 19,120. If it is 0, I think balance sheet is tallied. I have told you already in final accounts. 18,120 minus 7,560 minus 3,000 minus 12,850 minus last item 500. Yes, I think we are getting balance sheet tallied. Okay, I think this is about the illustration number 4, and I am planning to take 2 more problems in the coming class. With that, we will be finishing the admission. Then retirement, death, 2 problems we work out, 2 or 1 problem. Treatment will be same, only joint life policy. Then we work out 1 problem on retirement come admission. I think another around 6 to 7 classes I need, because this is a lengthy chapter, partnership. I think we are seeing that we can't slip and we cannot run, because if you learn, you should learn to the optimum level. Like maybe you need a bit of practice. Most of you have learned for the first time. Maybe it is not that difficult for you to quickly adapt to the situation here. So I think this topic you can easily learn, you can easily score, but the only thing is that you can expect problem from 4 levels, rather 5 levels. P&L appropriation, method of capital 1 level, one set, 5 sets we can expect, 1 set. Then admission 2nd, retirement 3rd, death 4th, and retirement come death, or sorry, admission come retirement or admission come death can be 5th combination. So out of 5 you can expect 1 model only. That is the problem. That is why people will feel this is lengthy. Final accounts is there, only final accounts, but it is not like that. Company also, issue of shares, forfeiture, reissue. 3 things, that's simple. Issue of debentures. Out of these 2 you can expect 1. I think why people will feel this is lengthy, similar not for profit making organization. Various methods you are having, that is why people will feel bit lengthy. Otherwise this is not that difficult. Okay, so we continue our discussion in the next class. I hope you all are following, revising it. I think you have been, by this time you have been used to it. I am writing the entries, I am to the extent possible I am trying to work out the problem so that it will be easy for you to go back, and I am also writing the page number also, that you can see. So the treatment of goodwill I have explained you, revaluation account I have opened, partners capital account also I have opened, and then comes balance sheet. Okay, then we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye, thank you.